Hi everyone, it's Rebecca here from the CPD Group. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most significant updates in health and social care training that we've seen in a while, and that's the Refreshed Care Certificate, updated for the first time since its launch back in 2015. If you're a care worker, support worker or part of a training organisation, this directly impacts the way care training is delivered moving forward. What is the Care Certificate? Now, just to recap, the Care Certificate is the starting point for anyone new to care in England. It sets the foundations covering the key knowledge, values and skills that help shape safe, compassionate and person-centred care. At the CPD Group, we've always recognised the Care Certificate as a vital benchmark, and this update is a really positive step forward. In March 2025, a new updated version was published. The new Care Certificate standards have been developed by Skills for Care, Skills for Health and NHS England, and it's all about modernising how we train and support those working in care today. And this isn't just a small tweak, it's a sector-wide refresh that brings new emphasis on the things that truly matter in today's care environment. This new version is set for full implementation by July 2025, which means now is the time to understand what's changed and why it matters. So what's in the new Care Certificate standards then? Well, a brand new Standard 16 has been introduced, focusing solely on learning disability and autism awareness. This is a major step forward, responding to long-standing calls within the sector for more dedicated training in this area. By making this a separate standard, the updated Care Certificate ensures that all workers gain a better understanding of how to support people with learning disabilities or autism, promoting more inclusive and individualised care. There is now a much stronger focus on digital skills across the standards too. This reflects the modern care environment where digital tools are an everyday part of how we communicate, record and deliver care. Staff are now expected to be confident in using digital devices, assistive technologies and online systems to enhance the quality and efficiency of care. Language and equality expectations have also been updated to be more inclusive and person-centred. The standards now place greater emphasis on understanding and addressing bias, recognising and challenging discrimination, and using culturally appropriate approaches. There is also a clearer focus on the emotional and mental well-being of individuals receiving care, helping staff to better recognise emotional distress and support holistic well-being. The Infection Prevention and Control Standard has been completely revised and expanded. This update builds on the lessons learned during the pandemic and beyond, offering clearer guidance on best practices around hand hygiene, PPE use, waste handling and managing infection risks. It also introduces more detailed content on donning and doffing PPE, the chain of infection and the responsibilities of care workers in protecting both themselves and those they support. So why does this matter to you? Whether you're a nurse, healthcare assistant or care worker, these updated standards ensure your training remains relevant, practical and aligned with current legislation and expectations. They support you in delivering compassionate, person-centred care with the confidence that your approach is in line with best practice. And for new starters, the Refreshed Care Certificate offers a clearer, more inclusive foundation to build a meaningful career in care. Ultimately, the 2025 Care Certificate update is more than just a checklist. It's a sign that our sector is evolving, becoming more reflective, more inclusive and better equipped to meet the real needs of those that we support. And as care professionals, keeping up with these changes is part of how we grow, not just in skills, but in our impact. For a quick breakdown of the key changes, check out the CPD Group's latest blog designed to help you understand the updates at a glance. And if you'd like to explore the full guidance, visit the official Care Certificate Standards website. Thanks for watching. Bye.